So being a dad of two has helped me understand even deeper the purpose that we have at Novartis. Something that I can share, kind of personal. When my son was born, after a couple of days, he had to be hospitalized because of an infection, and I think it was the scariest moment of my life. Your kid being a patient gives you a deeper sense of our purpose, right? And not just the purpose of Novartis, but everything from the nurse, the doctor, the hospital, all the healthcare system that is around just saving lives. It gives you a whole different perspective, and it reinforces the purpose that you have. My name is Hugo Patiño. I'm the Director of Business Development and Licensing and Alliance Management at Novartis Canada. My role in Novartis is to engage with other pharma executives and co-create a partnership where we can create value and reach more patients. In Novartis, I started in Novartis Mexico. First, I joined the finance team. I was given a lot of opportunities to work outside of Mexico, work outside of finance. So after that, I was able to go to Basel, and there I was in a role that had to do with a lot of countries where we don't have a formal presence. So I was able to understand the global scope of Novartis and how big of our reach is. And after that, I was able to come to Canada, and I've been able to continue my path on that side. What is unique about our team is that we all show up as our true selves. And what does that mean? We're there for adding value, but we're also there for supporting each other. And not just for performing our objectives, achieve what we need to do on the day-to-day, but also to help develop each other as a person, as a professional for this role and for the future. I have had the privilege of participating in the Health Equity Project. What the purpose of this project is to help address some of the inequalities that we have in our healthcare system in Canada. And the reason that this project is important to me is coming from Mexico, having worked in the healthcare system in Mexico and also in other countries indirectly and in Canada, you can see how your health outcomes could be so different depending just with where you're born. So being in a project that helps address that has been really meaningful to me. What reimagining medicine means for me is the constant innovation that we enable in the healthcare system. How the healthcare outcomes are better now versus 2 years ago, and how that impacts you and your loved ones.